Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the name of Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash Lord tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, wa Akima Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson that I want to bring out of this recent news article. As we've been seeing, the rising tensions been heating up between North Korea and South Korea. And this is a news article published by Hong Young Jin Kim from the Associated Press as of Sunday, October 13, 2024, and it reads, North Korea says frontline units ready to strike South Korea if more drones appear. Seoul, South Korea. North Korea says Sunday its frontline army units are ready to launch strikes on South Korea, ramping up pressure on its rival that it says flew drones and dropped it leaf flats over the capital, Pyongyang. South Korea refused to confirm whether it sent drones, but warned it will sternly punish North Korea if the safety of its citizens is threatened. North Korea on Friday accused South Korea of launching drones to drop propaganda leaflets over Pyongyang 3 times this month and threatens to respond with force if it happened again. In a statement carried out by the media Sunday, the North Defense Ministry says that the military defense has issued a preliminary operation order to artillery and other armed units near the border with South Korea to fully ready to open fire. An unidentified ministry spokesperson said North Korea's military ordered relevant units to fully prepare for situations like launching immediately strikes on unspecified enemy's target when South Korea infiltrates drones across the border again, possibly triggering fighting on the Korean Peninsula, according to the statement. This is Matthew 24, verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, right? North Korea versus South Korea. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must first come to pass, but the end is not yet. Matthew 24, verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the WashingtonTimes.com, and it reads, North Korea says frontline units ready to strike South Korea if more drones appear. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the name of Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash Lord tongue. I say Barakatham to the elders, wa Akima Akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.